Hey everyone! Today I wanted to show you my latest creation, a custom EDC pen that machined entirely by hand. At first glance it looks like a solid piece of metal. The gaps between the parts are practically invisible because the final finish was done in a single continuous pass. The only way you can tell that it's actually a pen is when you start unscrewing it. So everything here is made from the scratch. Let me break it down for you. So the pen consists exactly from 5 components. First, the cap, which is brass part and titanium part that threads on the brass body. Second is this brass body that holds the cartridge, which is press fit inside. Then brass cap from the other side that holds the cartridge and can be dismounted for cartridge change. So like that. All the threads are made on the lathe, so they are really easy to operate and have a perfect fitment that you will never get with other kinds of thread cutting. And definitely the main thing that everybody sees. It looks like a solid object and has a perfect finish and hand feel. So the project took me about 3 to 4 hours of work in the workshop. I wanted a clean industrial look, so I chose a classic combination of materials: high-grade titanium and solid brass for the accents. Let's talk about some specs of this pen. It has perfectly everyday carry size, 120 millimeters in length and exactly 10 millimeters in diameter. Weight is 32 grams. It has a really nice solid weight in the hand and just nice smooth feeling of that late finish. Not too heavy, but you definitely feel the weight. So we put it together and let's see how it rides. The balance is shifted toward the tip, making it incredibly comfortable for long time writing. Don't know. Yeah, my handwriting isn't perfect at all, but this pen feels very nice, and I suppose it's a unique gift for EDC collector or somebody who loves minimalistic handcrafted things. And finally, that was a challenging but very satisfying build. If you want to see more custom titanium gear and workshop behind the scenes, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out the shop link in my channel description if you want to grab one for your own pocket. Thank you for watching, guys. And if this format works well, I think I will continue making videos of my new products.